Hi guys and welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be analyzing 4 cryptos which are Singularitynet, Chainlink, Celer Network and Ocean Protocol. We will see where they might move over the next weeks. Please subscribe to our channel to receive our real-time trading signals and our analysis on cryptos, stocks, forex and commodities. Then you can join our community at patreon.com/financial trading academy. You will find the link in the description field. Let's start with Singularitynet. What we see here is a daily chart. I've been alerting my patrons that I strongly believe that the 95%, 90/95% of the current weakness has already been done. In other words, I still believe there might be space for a minus 10%, so for a drawdown of 10%, but most of the weakness is already in place. Okay, so we should be expecting over the end of June, something around between June and July, a very strong rise. Now, if we analyze Singularitynet more in details, we can detect a huge bullish divergence. In fact, once we analyze the price action and what the indicator, the unbalanced volume, is telling us is that while the price kept moving downwards, actually the unbalanced volume kept moving upwards. That's a very strong bullish divergence. Now, I want to point out the attention here. Okay, so the only indicator able to predict, so to tell in advance what is going to happen over the next weeks are the volumes. Now, what we see here is a huge spike in terms of volumes, okay, with an increase in terms of amplitude. Amplitude is the difference between the point of high and the point of low. Now, when we see here an increase in terms of volumes, in this case, what is called a POC, point of control, here we could display the volume profile, but it's not necessary. And also we see an increase in terms of volatility. Actually, what is happening is that the whales were distributing, they were selling to the retail traders, which were capped in losses. Okay, so from here we saw a huge movement downwards. Now, if we analyze the volumes here, we see a slight increase in terms of volumes, which means that most probably few whales already entered the market in the buy side. So again, we might see still a 10% of drawdown on average, but again, most of the weakness, that's my conviction, has already been done. Okay, so I'm pretty much bullish on Singularitynet. I believe that actually Singularitynet is going to move till retesting this important area at $0.30 over the next weeks. Keep in mind that this area will be a very strong barrier from where I believe we're going through a period of squeezing, which means an alternance between a long white candle, long black candle, some reversal, symbol, etc., before a new attack to this area at $0.45. So what I'm saying, that's my idea. Again, a disclaimer: you trade on your own. Okay, we trade on our own. What I'm saying is that this, what is happening right now, is a great opportunity, is a huge opportunity to keep accumulating. Okay. Now, if we switch to Chainlink, actually I have a very completely different idea. Okay, Chainlink here is a very bad chart. It reminds me Cardano. A few weeks ago I was clearly stating, you can have a look at my previous YouTube videos, that actually I was warning you not to keep buying Cardano, and that was because I saw a very bad chart. For Chainlink we see here actually a lackness in terms of volumes. Okay, and also we see here this long black candle breaking below the horizontal support around $6. So I believe there is space till this area, which might pass between 4.5, 4.7 US dollar. And actually, from here we will need to evaluate if we see incoming volumes. Okay, but right now Chainlink looks very bearish, very bad. Okay, so keep attention, keep an eye on Chainlink, and be careful before buying. Okay, because that's my idea. At least there is still space for further retracement. Okay, now let's move on. Celer Network. Differently from Chainlink, we can detect a huge increase in terms of volumes. Okay, now in August 2022, I've been alerting in my patrons that I've been detecting a very strong increase in terms of volumes. So right now, for Celer Network, we might see still period of weakness till 0.010. Right now it is worth 0.015. Yet I believe that the horizontal support at 0.010 should be holding. And again, from here, I expect new volumes incoming and a movement upwards. Now, with the Ocean Protocol, we will have a better idea of what is happening. Okay. Now, if we compare Celer Network with the Ocean Protocol, the latter has a better chart. Yet, Ocean Protocol will be a buy only above this area at 0.50 US dollar. Okay, in fact, we can easily detect a very strong horizontal resistance between 0.50 and 0.60 US dollar. Even in this case, now we can we can analyze the volumes. We see here a huge increase in terms of volumes, and then we have experienced a huge movement downwards. Same here, those one are two POC, and same here, okay? Yet, even for Ocean Protocol, I believe that we are actually bottoming out, okay? So guys, if you want to receive our analysis, we're giving out a 1 free week at patreon.com/financial trading academy. So you will have the chance to actually to evaluate our job. Thank you guys.